Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add quarterly column in pivot table. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. So in this data you can see only the date column is available, and here I'm going to add the quarterly column in pivot table. So let's see how it's done. So to create pivot table, simply select the entire data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select the data. The second way, select the inside the cell, and you can use here the Control A to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, have a pivot table option. Then click on this drop down arrow. Then click on the From Table or Range option. And here the one dialog box is open, the pivot table, from table or range. The range of data is automatically selected. Then click on the new worksheet. Then click on OK, and that's it. Here the new sheet is added to create pivot table. With this, the pivot table analysis and design tab also added. And here you can see the right hand side, the pivot table fields. You just drag the fields in the below area to create the pivot table. I just drag the date in rows, and here you can see the column is added. Okay, but it's showing the yearly. But here I want the quarterly. When you click on this plus sign, you can see the grouping: year in quarters, quarter in month, and month in date. Okay, so here I want only the quarter wise data. Okay, just click on this minus sign, and the grouping is closed, and just drag here in your fields. You can see there is some option is added. Okay, some fields is added: month date, quarter date, and year date. So I just deselect the year date, then month date, and here you can see now is the quarterly grouping is here showing. Okay, so I don't want a grouping. When you click on this plus sign, you can see grouping of the date. It means here the date also selected. So I just deselect it, and that's it. Here you can see only the quarterly your column is added in pivot table. Now I just add my amount column, and I create here my pivot table. That's it. Okay. This is the first way. Okay. And second way, I just delete this totally pivot table, and I show you the same step again fastly. Okay. Same as just drag it in rows, and here you can see the year grouping is showing. Then select the column, go to the pivot table analysis. In group, the group selection option available, just click on it, and here the grouping dialog box is open. Date is automatically selected as per your data, the starting date and ending date. And here you can see have some option. Okay, some option is already selected: months, quarter, years, means all here in this data available. So I want here only the quarterly. So I deselect the months, I deselect the years, and then click on the OK. And that's it. Here you can see your data is converted in quarterly. Now I just add the another fields. So I just add the amounts. If you want add some filters, you can add here. And that's it. Your pivot table is ready. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.